Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making twice baked potatoes. Okay, so we're going to wash our potato very well, the outside of it. Then we're going to poke it with some holes using a fork. We're going to drizzle some olive oil over it and we're going to give it a nice massage. Then we're going to season it with some salt and black pepper. And we're going to close it up and we're going to bake in the oven for 1 hour at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After that is finished, we're going to cut off the top very carefully. Now this is hot, so you notice I'm holding it with a pot holder because you don't want to burn your hand. And simply scoop out the contents. Now don't scoop out too much because you don't want to compromise the structural integrity of the potato. We're going to use the top part as well. We're not going to waste anything. What we're going to do is put the top part inside the bottom, and that gives it more structure. All right, so now we have our filling that we need to make. So we're going to add some butter. We're going to add some heavy cream and we're going to mix well. Now this is a personal preference as to how much butter and how much milk and even how much cheese you want to add to this. Now I'm adding some salt there as well, and of course salt to taste. So throughout the process you will need to taste to see how much salt you need to add. But what we're adding there is basically you're adding your butter, your heavy cream, your cheese, and of course I added some, you could either add spring onions or chive. Okay, so now that our filling is done, we're going to now fill our potato boats, if you will, with our filling. So there we are adding our filling back to our potato. And now we're going to sprinkle the top of it with some more cheese again. There you go. So now we're going to put that into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to bake this between 15 to 20 minutes, so until the top is nicely golden and brown. Enjoy!